Are you not able to see the View Profile option on TikTok on your iPhone? It could happen due to privacy settings or account restrictions. But no need to worry. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to solve the missing View Profile option on TikTok on your iPhone. So let's get started. Solution 1. Profile View option. First, open up the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon below. After that, tap on the hamburger icon from the top right. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap Privacy. Now scroll down to the bottom. Here, you'll see the option called Profile Views. Make sure to toggle it on. If you still have the same issue, then here's another solution. Solution 2. Report a problem. Open up the Safari browser. Then type and search TikTok feedback. Next, tap on the first link called Report a Problem. Tap on the topic drop-down menu. Select Report a Bug/Feature Request. After that, tap on the Category drop-down menu. Select Feature Suggestions. Now enter your email address and username. Next, describe your problems in the additional details box. Like, Dear TikTok team, my profile view is not working on TikTok. Please help me to solve this issue. Now here, add a screenshot of your problem, then update it, and then upload it here. Check mark both the boxes and finally hit the submit button. After that, TikTok support will review your account and respond to you within 48 hours. And that's how you can solve the missing View Profile option on TikTok for your iPhone. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you later.